Wagwan ENT.
Now Mike is all time. Sister Dennis. It is.
Every time I call on the phone, they tell me that you're not at home. But last night when I called you, before I say hello, oh, I could hear you.
I want them listeners through now officially. Sing. I don't know the dancing. I want to listen through that. All of us. Yes.
Every time I call on the phone, they tell me that you're not at home. But last night when I called you, before I say hello, oh, I could hear you singing in the background. Oh yeah, tell him I'm not home. You're not at home. If by chance you found somebody new and you don't know what to say or do, I feel better when I call you. If you ask me not to call instead of hear you singing in the background, oh yeah, you're not at home. You're not at home. You're not at home, girl. You're not at home. Oh yeah, you shouldn't do that, baby girl. You shouldn't do that.
Yeah.
You hurt my feelings, baby. Oh baby, if by chance you found somebody new.
How is the Bobby Melody? Now sugar candy. When I touch it. Come cross.
Now respect due to Jimmy Metro the boss. Respect due to my driver. See a man in a separate corner. All ladies, if you know this, I say you gotta be crazy. Cursing at your life. Oh, yo, you sweet little lady. Cursing at your life. Don't know Sky Juice. Hey lady, you lady. Cursing at your life. You're a discontented mother in the regimented wife. Have no doubt to dream about the way you makes me feel. But I wish that I could talk to you like I wanna talk to me. Ooh, I've been to Georgia and California and anywhere I could run. I took the hands of a beautiful girl and we made love in the sun. But I've been just like kings and I've seen something that a man ain't supposed to see. Lady, I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. You gotta be crazy, cursing at your sound. Oh, yo, you gotta be crazy, cursing at your sound. Come up, Danny Jet.
Well, alright now. We have an international singer. We have a touch and we can't leave our inch. A long time I'm mash down the place. No Bobby Melody. Come cross.
Rastafari, enough respect, Danny Jet. We leave the Sky Juice. Yes. Yes. Request to all Metro massive. Yes, and all Mandeville crew. For the roots, respect too. We leave the collection. Ah, wait. Wow, yeah, now. Oh, yeah, now. A Metromedia. I remember that night I met you. When we say that we would never part, and now you leave me, taking another. Don't even be standing with a broken heart. Oh, Metromedia, champion the sound. Metromedia is the #1 sound. Gonna take a little time to think things over. You gotta read between the lines, in case I need it when I'm older. Through the skies I see love shines, keeps me warm as life grows colder. Oh yeah. In my life, it's been all aches and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now. I've traveled so far in this lonely life. Welcome in, Dollar Chef.
Dear, bring me lover back, bring me lover back, 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 back. Bring me lover back, bring me lover back. Come, want her back. So stop that train, I wanna get on. Come on, say my baby, she's leaving me now. Come on, I said stop that train, I wanna get on. Fire, my baby, she's leaving me now. Come now, in here, bring me lover back, bring me lover back. Come, want her back. Come, bring me lover back, bring me lover back. Come, want her back. Come, she used to give me good loving, me clothes clean, me house clean, me food clean, me youth them clean. So me want her back on the scene. So bring me lover back, bring me lover back. Come, want her back. Come, bring me lover back, bring me lover back. Come, want her back. So stop that train, I wanna get on. What? Now he comes, the Marquette like Crucial Sanchez. In a different style, a different pattern. And you know we make all origination. Here it is.
Yeah. Lord of mercy, why?
Here it is.
That's hey. We're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? That's
Sky Juice. Who goes? Gilbert Boss, but Sky Juice there. So here it is.
ooh, yeah. Lord of mercy, why? That's hey. We're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? That's we're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Oh, it's a long time I've been searching for a sound to call my own.
I know we'll find Metro. Where you go?
You seems to be lonely, but don't worry 'cause I'm on my own. Hey, but it's a grooving situation. What a friendly combination when we kill a sound in a clash like this. Oh, it's a grooving situation. What a friendly combination when we kill a sound clash like this. That's we're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? That's oh yeah. We're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Oh, it's a long time I've been searching for a sound to call my own. Oh yes. And I'm trying so hard. No other sound can come around. Oh yes. But it's a grooving situation. Oh, what a friendly combination. When we kill a sound in a clash like this. Oh, it's a grooving situation. What a friendly combination. When we kill a sound in a clash like this. Sound boy. Oh. We're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Sound boy. Oh yes. We're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? But it's a long time I've been searching.
Now here's the Sky Juice. Y'all on the land, you ain't got no competitiveness here. So all sides. No sugar candy.
Touch it.
Yeah.
Now easy down the drain. Easy way you wonder. Now don't have enough man from a dance thing. Like the man did just woman. But we love all woman.
We're gonna kill your sound if it takes all night.
Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Did I have so much to say? But in the least most simple way. And I love you. Metromedia, media. And I've come to do just to prove this sound is true. And I play you. Metromedia, media. I wanna say thank you for the many things you done. I wanna say thank you for the many things you done. Da 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 da. Loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful. As everything of my life is to filled with love in you.
I look in your eyes and I can see the love so dangerously. You're not trusting your heart to anyone. You tell me you're gonna play it smart, but prove before the start. I believe that we've only just begun. But Metro plays there ain't no say no. Oh, sound guy, I love Metro so I'm ready to go. To the fire, to the limit, to the one. For the chance to be with you, I'm glad I risk it all.
Me and my Metro. Easy Sky Juice.
Well, alright. Now he comes. And I'm going to touch some other cat like John Clark.
Word! Metromedia! Word! Now, if a devil send you come to mix with God people, you better go mix with all some dirty bungle. Welcome down John Clark on Metromedia rule.
Rough. Here it is, John Clark. Rock it.
Yeah, Metro are the toughest. Metro are the toughest.
Just Sky Juice,
Yeah,
man.
we are the ruler.
Madam.
Won't be a fast start. Now here comes John Clark. Chris from UK. Come down you. Fire!
Yeah, Metro are the roughest. Yeah, Metro are the toughest. Yeah, we are the ruler. And you have to run, you have to run up and down. Run, you have
Oh,
to
Janet,
run
you want to
away,
come front now.
Run, you have to run, you have to run up and down. Run, you have to run when Metro come. Anything that you can do, Metro can do it better. Metro are the roughest. And Metro are the toughest. Don't you try to do what we do, 'cause you can do, 'cause we are the ruler. So you have to cool, yeah. Run, you have to run, you have to run up and down. Run, you have to run when Metro come. Run, you have to run, you have to run up and down. Run, you have to run when Metro come. Here I come again. Run, got tell you friend. It's been a long time. Metro, I feel up the vibes. But now the time of them a run up and down. Here I come again. Run, got it way. Run you off, run up and down. Run you off, run away.
How it is? All the massive on the streets. I want them to say in your son and out the street. Yeah, son. So here we say, for the roads, you know we not leave your engine. So come cross.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're playing at the dance like a good sound show. The party follow it like a new day. Metromedia is a champion wherever it may be. We just ram up your dance and block your party. Metromedia is a champion wherever it may be. Ram up your dance and block your party. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Metro playing at the dance like a good sound show. The party follow it like a new day. Metromedia is a champion wherever it may be. We just ram up your dance and block your party. Metromedia is a champion wherever it may be. Ram up your dance and block your party. Oh, oh, Danny Dreadlock.
Metro you're up, Metro you're tough. So we come around, you know we bound up it. Bubbles, Metro you're up, Metro you're tough. Fling the plate and a sound bed bus. Come, Metro you're up, Metro you're tough. You come in and the dancer, you know say you're not bluff. Come in and the dancer with the artist stuff. Ragamuffin and the dreadlock, king for mash it up. Anytime we come and dance, you know we buffy crush it up. Ragamuffin and the dreadlock, king for yacht it up. We say sensible lyrics and we bound up the bus. Anyway we pass through, we have to get the gold cup. Every girl a Mandeville, you know they will want us out. So if you go on down the dreadlock, you're up on yourself. So make sure you're up, make sure you're tough. Anytime you come to dance, I feel full up. Now all massive and all cruel tights. I know we still a touchdown woman easy. How we
This one
dedicated
dedicated to the mobile passes. And Metromedia rule. Come down, Johnny Clark, come sing out the Metromedia.
Sky Joe's voice, that's it.
A Metromedia are the best.
Yes,
A Metromedia are the best.
yes, by any day. Yeah, yeah.
Metro crew is like soldier. So make we on defend our sound, young. Metro crew is like soldier, and no other sound can test Metromedia.
Uno, uno.
The enemies are coming with guns and ammunition. Don't fear them, my brethren, cause together we are strong. Metro crew is like soldier, so make we on defend our sound, young. Metro crew is like soldier, no other sound can test Metromedia.
Uno, uno.
Now it's a Microsoft from London. And the crew. And respect
Sky
to
Juice are the teacher.
Fierce.
Uno, 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 uno.
Metro crew is like soldier, so make we on defend our sound, yeah. Metro crew is like soldier, and no other sound can test Metromedia.
Uno, uno, uno.
Coming to take away our rats, we gonna fight with all our might. Coming to take away our rats, we gonna fight with all our might. Let us be like Metro soldier and defend our sound now. Peter Metro.
Now you know true, we know we rough and we do anything. Now you hear them say now. I know we have all 1 and 2 like a whole foot in the place, so we haven't touched them things. Right, Sky Juice? You agree with me? Well, alright. Come now! Hello, Josephine. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? How do you do? You don't remember me, my baby? Well, alright. Now this. I know some old foot in the place where we rock up them boat. So we touch back some old style. What's happening from long time? Come now. Hello, Josephine. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? How do you do? You don't remember me, my baby. Don't remember me, my. But I remember. Yes, I remember you. We used to walk and talk. We used to walk and talk. Take you on my. I take you on my back. Hello, Josephine. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? How do you do? You don't remember me, my baby. Don't remember me, my baby. But I remember you. I remember you. Come now. In this Prada, da. Hey, hey, hey. Prada, da. Hey. One more time. Hello, Josephine. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? How do you do? You don't remember me, my baby. But I remember you. Yes, I remember you. We used to walk and talk. On the railroad track. And whenever it's raining, I take you on my back. One more time. Hello, Josephine. How do you do? You don't remember me, my baby. But I remember you. Come now. Sprada, da. Hey, hey, hey. Sprada, da. Hey. Sprada, oh, so me can't blow trombone. Alright? So when I have a big trombone, until me can't blow saxophone. Now here comes the body can like crucial cockatoo. Sky juice! Right? You think them could have hold you too long? Alright, I never mention. Yes. Hey.
What a situation.
What about the jet?
They're building guns and nuclear weapons.
Whoa! How will them look come for kill out 4 people picking it? Eh? Me mama! Quiet ass! You get up too fast.
What a situation. They're building guns and nuclear weapons to destroy the nation. Building guns and ammunition to destroy the nation. But me asking the elders and the leaders, say what a situation. Fighting out Eve in Babylon.
Out of my daily jet.
Won't solve this a situation. We all got to unite and join hands in hands. And so we will solve all our problems. We have to unite. We have to unite. Yeah. We have to unite. We have to unite. Yeah.
I know we can't stop big up Terrell on the poolside crew. Cheers. Yeah.
Giving them guns to kill off one another. Instead of teaching them to praise Jehovah. Oh, unite. Then oh, unite. Yeah. Then oh, unite. In Rastafari side. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, man, great Paul. Enough respect.
Them have to unite.
Cheers.
The lightning and thunder, brimstone and fire. Boy. Them have to unite. Them have to unite. And them must unite. Yeah. They must unite. They must unite, Lord. War is brewing, east, west, north, and south, yeah.
Metro just arriving on the place.
Them a talk about
Well, alright.
war in the east, war in the west.
Now Michael Chen and Sister Denise. Now leave Metro
The
Inch.
crew that they are the best.
Yes.
That's why they will unite. They will unite, yeah. They will unite, Lord. They will unite. But with the lightning and thunder, brimstone and fire, they must unite, boy. Lightning and thunder, brimstone and fire.
Sky Juice.
They must unite.
Now you know we don't come for king teeth. Now let go part 2, kind of on a ramp. That's like how Coco Tia talk about them big gun and them ammunition business. Let's not tell that they want to go down to South Africa on a ramp with things. Well, alright. All massive and all crew. Now Dennis and Michael Jen and all the Mandeville massive. All sides. Full side crew. Come now. In the Mandeville massive, are you ready? A big old lake, a shot under the guy. Yes. Now you know we have got a couple shots under the guy called Bosa, cause we want freedom from Mandela. We not stop Cessa. And we not take back them talk there. For years. Well, alright. Now all the dancers, them all unified still. Well, alright. Go now. In the Mandeville massive, are you ready? A big old leak, a shot under the guy Bota. Manchester massive, are you ready? A big old leak, a shot under the guy Bota. Full side massive, soon ready? A big old leak, a shot under the guy Bota. Metromedia massive, are you ready? A big old leak, a shot under the guy Bota. In him. Hello Reagan, hello Margaret Thatcher. Hello Reagan, hello Margaret Thatcher. What are you doing for the youth in South Africa? What are you doing for the youth in South Africa? Youth want food, the youth want shelter. And every day they killing their mother. Give them some 16 and some enforcer. I make them lick shot on the guy called Boota. I get the freedom from my brethren Mandela. Stepping at the White House, go free Mandela. We go walking at the White House, go free Mandela. We go lick a couple shots under the guy Boota. Kill him mother, him father, him sister, him brother. Wipe out all apartheid leader. And not stop till them free Mandela. Now listen down the cheddar down the actual tower. Same thing them do Marcus Garvey. Same thing them do Paul Bogle. Same thing Sam Sharp and Nanny. Say same kind of chick them would lay one try with me. Say them would lay one pay try it with the Mandeville posse. Say them would lay one pay try it with Manchester posse. And they would lay one pay try it with the Metro posse. And then they say well, yes, enough respect. Now Peter Metro, come cross.
No respect Sky Juice, but kinda know say a Metromedia Sound that we have to come out. But you want some kinda lost. Well, before I drive up and down and can't find the place. Anyway, step up. I know when we come with us come for work for Metromedia Sound because this week the sound of go to Canada, you know. Yeah. I see all the massive outside. I want to come in at the dance and nobody stand up out the door like a soldier. All DJ. That's why me say, tell them not do it. Tell them not to do it. Oh, again. Hey, Mr. Speaker, Gilbert, come to do his work. Alright. Hey, 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 hey. Daddy make sure them on the mic again. Hey, 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 hey. That's why me say, tell them not do it. Tell them not to stop DJ about your land underneath. Tell them not do it. Tell them not to stop DJ about your land underneath. The DJ nowadays and them a get out to honor. The simplest thing and them a talk about woman. Put on it too sweet and tan vanilla. Big life boom boom and you let it too. Whoa, whoa. Give me a little space up on the stage. Come. I know that the Metro the year-to-year sound. And a long time Mandeville people are listening to Metro. Hey, hey, pick-a-ding, pick-a-ding, pick-a-ding. What was it? What was it?
Me cry, tell them not do it. Tell them not to do it. Stop DJ about your land and it. Tell them not do it. Tell them not to do it. Stop DJ about your land and it. The DJ nowadays and them a get out to honor. The simplest thing and them a talk about woman. Put on it too sweet and tan pan it long. Legal like boom boom and get it too long. The lyrics like this the fling in the ocean. Teach you right and don't teach them wrong. They could make some lyrics about South African, about water and the white oppression, about Ronald Reagan who not like black man. The National Front and the Ku Klux Klan about. Whoa, John, Jamaican Selector man. All you in Jamaica, whether you a peer or labor right, you don't want to do the call. Watch out, we want you to do the peace move, do the peace move. All of them must make we make the peace move, do the peace move, do the peace move. All of them must we are going to do the peace move. We are going to walk from jungle, we are going to go to Tivoli, we are going to leave Tivoli, we are going to go to Rima, we are going to leave Rima, we are going to go to Spangler, we are going to talk about Bibo, we are going to talk about Shower, we are going to talk about Michael and the ones Ziaga, we are going to sit down on the corner, we are going to drink some liquor, we are going to stick up together like some panel later. Nobody kill your brother, miss and or your sister. We're going to do the peace move, do the peace move. All of them must make we do the peace move, do the peace move, do the peace move. All of them must make we do the peace move. It go. Come now, tell them not do it, tell them not to do it. I'll pull up my Selector Sky Juice, nice and easy. I want the massive know so well it's the Metromedia Sound of the year to year, so now just come forward. I know so right now Daddy Metro just like get warm. No, we any wonder. I want you come sing out. Now, come down, we any wonder.
Yes, Peter. And all the massive Daddy Metro Sky Juice. Doll girls. Hey, there be no darkness tonight. Lady, your love will shine bright in the light. Hey girl, just put your trust in my arms and meet me in paradise. Now is the time, girl. You're every wonder in this world to me. Oh, no treasure tide won't steal away. No, no. Listen to my heart, lay your body close to mine. Let me touch you with my love. I will make you feel so right. And maybe through the years, girl, I love you more each day. So I promise you tonight that you will always be the lady in my life.
Said I love you, Miss Ginny Rice, all the way. And you used to be so sweet, I heard them say.
I'll pull up Sky Juice, now Chris.
I'm a man.
Yes. When you come on Metromedia, you put those drink and feel nice. Now Danny Jen Locks. You know, so right now, those some level vibes and those juggling get warm, see? Yes. All massive, all time. Hey. Now Peter Metro man, the youth named Danny Jen. By the sweat you know we have to eat bread. Yes, Sky Juice, me know you're heavy than lead. All a pretty girl and one go rub up in a bed. What me say? Boom shakada, everybody better rock. Boom shakada, everybody better rock. Boom shakada, everybody better rock. What do you hear? Boom shakada, everybody better rock. Whether you're white or whether you're black or whether you're slim or whether you're fat. Yes, and on the Metro on the microphone attack. One on the Metro, you're the cream of the crop. Cap a fire shot, you know we still not go job. Boom shakada, everybody better rock. Boom shakada, everybody better rock. Because
we don't have bottom and the rich man up on top. We don't take a thing, I wish profit them not a drop. Rock a muffin and let them like it's a not big rock. Anytime we come and dance, you know we DJ don't stop. Peter Metro on the spot, you know him not stop chat. Anytime we come and dance, we are the king of the crowd. Rock a muffin and let them like him and boom it like that. We say compete.
She put me cry. Don't not give me that broccoli here. Not give me that cook here.
Do not give me no crap. When they come and Metro Media listener, Metro Watcher, me say God long and the dreadlocks are your true Rasta man. Me say easy sky juice, you what they know end up man. And yes, Mr. Metro, you have a long time down. What me say? No touch it coke, don't touch it crack. No touch it coke, don't touch it crack. What if a DJ got to foreign living like a big shot? Them follow them hygiene and them virgin and go smoke crack. Say no when you see them a big dead stock. Them chest get little, them body get flat, them eye sink in a hole like viparata. The belt round them waist rasta, now it gets slacker. So when them in the bed, them only eat on the frack. So some of the women them take another man behind their back. Clear, don't give it a coke, don't give it a crack. Come now, don't give it a coke, don't give it a crack.
That's why no girl up feet and down the chain long. Because them no say that when I go touch up the crack. About the guy with them live with him a hit on the frack. So when them go to middle rasta know him can rock. He might take a beat and make sure she come check her down the dreadlock. The time we come out that you know we don't stop chat. Come beat and make sure come in know you're hotter than that.
What's it? No give it a coke, don't give it a crack. Clear, no give it a coke, don't give it a. Them get hook on it. Come, yes them get hook on it. Hey, them get hook on it. Who do you hear me? Lord, them get hook on it. You know why down the dreadlock? Hear me? Watch my friend named Glenn, he my pass on the stem, Lord. Hey, and every car pass, him beg a 5 or a 10. Fewer, nothing go by the crack again, him get hook on it. Hey, yes, him get hook on it. That's why me ball me say, no give me no coke, don't give me no crack, you hear me? No give me no coke, don't give me no crack, me cry. Don't give me that, don't give me that, don't give me that, don't give me no coke, no crack. Don't give me that, don't give me that, don't give me that, don't give me that. Because, look how me slim man, me no fat man, where the ass man, me a do it crack man, crack on a front and, crack on a back and, crack down a bottom man, crack up a, he's not done the dreadlock. Alright, let's step up now, kinda know it go.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Now ease up my selector. And let's go to part 2. See me kind of bring the sing on the DJ them come shackle. Now come down my brother kind of know it go Metromedia Sound and the juggling sound. So come.
Elisa Peter Metro. And all nice and decent ladies. Hold this. Sky Joe still of the style, yeah. Hear it. Loving you is easy cause you're beautiful. And every day of my life is filled with loving you. Loving you. I can see you make my dream come true. What a warm surprise. You listen sugar candy in the dance tonight. Believe it's night in springtime. Loving you is easy cause you're beautiful. And every day of my life is so filled with loving you. The tender love.
How easy sugar candy we want to name, you know, say so we were. How massive? Now Danny Jet come on the stage, man. Hey, Danny Jet shut up on the mic. Hey. Come now. Say jump down, we will live up, and the big up. Oh my God. Now we can't take what go on in New York because Pierre shot on fire. Sins. Yes. So we have a love of our country, which is sweet Jamaica. So I touch how old this but good is, right? Come down! Hey! Everyone was a woman, said that was style, and this is fashion. Is I'm and Mr. Metro at the microphone, son. You got 7 era of Jamaica, Paul Bogle, Sam Sharp, and Daddy Buster. Daddy Mandy William got the Marcus Mosiah, and Sister Nanny, she was the maroon leader. No less up on them, one after the other. William Gandhi, the white, he was a freedom fighter. Paul Bogle did black, him a rebellion leader. But he was strict, and then capture, and then
send them hanging couple days later. No, take a look at Marcus Mosiah, born 1887, son of a Papa due to his love for black and his brain power. He was on his way to free Africa when he was captured by some English soldier. Them even destroy the Black Star Liner and send back him ashes to Jamaica. Now Daddy Manley, Daddy Bustamante, they all came from the same family. Fight to get independent for this your country. And them choose the anthem on the flag TV. They was the first premier of our country. We first prime minister was Bustamante. We live to see more beat on the second city to dollars and cents from the pound and penny. We land have a point down a St. Anne's. So discovery be a man a wait name from. We first people the Arawak Indian. And them and the Spaniards them start shake on. Them never know the Spaniards did have one plan. We work them like animal and not human. 1655 English capture we land. And then them start the sugar plantation. And when them see that the cane start grow, them send back to Africa to get some Negro. And so you get the yellow and the youth named Metro. We come be a dancehall era. We highest mountain and Blue Mountain Peak at 7,402 feet. And when you reach the top you see the Cuban land. Well still me I go tell you about Jamaican island. In a 1494 Columbus discovered the land. In a 1655 them took us to England. In a 1692 earthquake destroyed the land. And 1773 all us so dead. And in a 1838 we get our freedom. And 1865 a Morant Bay Rebellion. In a 1887 Marcus Manor St. Anne. And 1893 the birth of Norman Washington. In a 1938 it was a riot on the land. And 1952 the Queen coronation. In a 1962 we get to liberation. And now that the Metro want the microphone stand. And no DJ say that them are number one. Them not chat not to educate the nation. Them pick up the mic from 1021. And all them depend on widdly bong. My lyrics them can play on any radio station. Well just the other day you know me go to England. Well as the plane land me reach the immigration. Him look at Mr. Metro, him a ask me question. The capital of England, me tell him London. The capital of America that a Washington. The capital of Ireland that a Amsterdam. Collection of stars is a consolation. A outer space creature we call him alien. Me like no scientist, me like no politician. Those people send no future institution. Me no matter what the party, me no vote election. Me we boom parliament and keep a celebration. You have 5 signs of a pentagon. You have 6 signs of a hexagon. You have 8 signs of a octagon. So whether you are woman, me say whether you are man. So this is Daddy Metro, what the microphone stand. No come in Danny dread, you are the true Rasta man. Me born and me grow in a this island. Yes. No. You know where we come with it different. Yes. Please, lover, please come back. Words, guys, is one thing. Whenever time you come to Metromedia, it's like you come to a college. Bobby Miller there. Now come cross my ears.
The King dance and praise, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conqueror land of the tribe of Judah, Jah, Rastafari. Yes, well, big Questo, Peter Metro, yeah, and massive. Well, he's the selector, Sky Jones, enough respect, color change. Oh, yeah, now. La 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 la. There is a sound in Kingston, Jamaica. Well, a champion sound, the Metromedia. Well, this one no sound can test. I tell the Metromedia, I tell no citizen, Metromedia. I say we rum dancehall and we come party, top celebrity in your vicinity. La 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 la. So just send a letter to my baby. Well, I want to tell her there's no if, no maybe. Tell her I love her so I want the world to know I never let her go. This is Mr. Melody, me come to start the show. Welcome in, Danny.
Well, alright, no disrespect. Now color chain come cross. Ain't there, rude boy?
Yeah, no respect. Sin.
Now all massive, love it. Hey, hey, oh Lord of mercy, mercy, mercy. The collagen in the party, party, part. And everybody feeling irie, irie, irie. Because the girl that when me love, the girl that when me love, the girl that when me love is like a blessing from above, above. The girl that when me love, the girl that when me love, the girl that when me love is like a blessing from above. So me take a little drive, go to the nightclub. Woke up on a young girl and she me love. So me call to the young girl, she not tell me no hot word. The young girl pretty me selector good up. So me push up me chest just like a blackboard. In a few ears man me whisper few words. So me take her round the corner just to make love. Lord my God, it's like a blessing from above. She have the concrete love, asphalt love, thermos love, it keep me warm. So mama she girl when me fire, fire. Selector, come in, Danny Jack.
Why you not stop rough ears? Now he comes.
Man like Greg Rice, so let's give love a try. So all the girls who can't wine, I want soon to wine. I have some girl that dance with some man and a man that we up this hand them there, so we need a that. We need a that. When they come and make sure you drink, junk and go home, go romance, yeah man. All girls. Some girl a holla for the walker, when them get it, them can't manage it. Come! Selector man. Sure. And wait, come on. All girl and all the cocks man, them a Mandeville. And the way, come on. Come now. Watch ya. Some girl a holla for the walker, when them get it, they can't manage it. Holla for the walker, when they get it, they can't take it. Holla for the walker, when they get it, they can't manage it. Holla for the, come now. Say, oh, if you get up and wine, all of the girls, them if you get up and wine, get up and wine. All of the man, them if you get up and wine. Watch ya. Slow wine. Watch him make sure with slow wine. Go ahead. Slow wine. Watch him make sure with slow wine. Watch ya. Yankee wine. Fuckery wine. Yankee wine. Them don't know how to wine. Watch ya. English wine. Watch how the girl them England wine. Watch ya. Jamaica wine. The sweet wine. Jamaica wine. The sweet wine. Watch ya. Juice a come. Get the fast wine. Metro. The fast wine. Get the fast. Get the fast wine. What if you get up and wine? All of the girls them wanna get up and some girl all for the walker. When them get it, they can't manage it. All for the walker. When them get it, they can't. Cause if a girl in the crowd want come test Metro, do your thing, say me long man. So. Me we. Chunky ya so. Whoa. Fling it there, sir. Lord. Whoa. Metro. Metro. Breathe. Woo. Lord. Metro. Kiss me no Metro. Me say kiss what y'all. You don't see a rotten teeth. Away a jabber. Whoa. Some girl are all for the walker. When they get it, they get. Oh, Selector. Yes, come get Selector. Now Danny Jordan and don't say you forget a slice of the cake. Come!
Alright. Now you said about crying for the work and them can't manage it. But them still not stop crying for it. I don't know why. Hear this! Say no bird come from Almond, say them love we to them heart and soul. Whoa! No bird come from Almond, say them love what we have we under control. They want Peter Metro. Now you said about crying for the work and them can't manage it. But them still not stop crying for it. I don't know why. Hear this! Say no bird come from Almond, say them love we to them heart and soul. Whoa! No bird come from Almond, say them love what we have we under control. They want Peter Metro, one Sky Joe, one done it. Who goes? The reverence on the stones now. Yes. I know when we come, we don't think different. I know year to year business. And I look at just come business. Alright. No all crew. Say no bird come from all bounds, say them love we to them heart and soul. Come. No bird from Manchester, say them love what we to them heart and soul. One Peter Metro, them was Sky Joes, one Mikey Dreadlocks, one on
the work, you know they can't manage it. Say down the jet, they go touch it in a style. Come me say can't wine for me, say that she can't wine. Hey, he says she can't wine for me, say that she can't wine. Hey, because them on them in a town, them have to hold them girl. Tight, on them in a gun, them have to hold them girl. Tight, come a country, it is a different sight. Come a country, it is a different sight. Woman, yes, sir. Man, this, sir. And them a rub like them a the cocoa. Me tell them, nothing no go, sir. You want learn for wine, test metro. Compete on metro. Tell them how it go.
Me no lie, where you go on, where me see, in the land, one man stand up here so, and the woman who over there so, man a wine like him a the cocoa, and also it go up so, when I'm pan a girl and just rub the throat and make she, whoa, lad, whoa, lad. Some girl are love for the worker when they come Sky Joes, come again, because we give some commercial now we are going to touch it zeros. No, if you listen to radio, all you can hear, 2 people lost their life, come with it Sky Joes. You know what? It name accident appear, accident to the hear me, accident mother, accident, accident mother, accident to the hear me, accident mother, accident. After me take a 91 I go to any park, and as the van reach 3 mile, the van is shut off. Me tell the conductor give me pass, me come off. Him and him friends stand up at the door and attack. So me take up me grip and me start it to as me reach D and G, the van fly past. Everybody in the bus kick them a laugh. A man should about him head, watch it eat that a walk. So me hold me journey and me still did a walk. As the van reach 4 mile, the 4-wheel fly up. So lick up in a truck and the starter pop up. A old lady she get injured in her heart. A man in the front seat 2-foot chop up. You look on the doctor tear up like clot. The driver took off and him 2 foot so fast. The speed him took off, him 2 boot heel fly up. True, accident appear, accident to the hear me, accident man appear, accident to the hear me, accident man, accident to the hear me, accident man appear, accident. When 2 bike crash, no bike accident. When 2 bus crash, no bus accident. When 2 car crash, no car accident. And 2 truck crash, a truck accident. And if 2 cow crash, that a coincident. Come, accident mother, accident to the hear me, accident mother, accident. Around the microphone, me stand per dominant. Intelligent lyrics that are my consent. Yes, Mandeville people, we love you. Cock, Maleo. And guess what? Remember what the difference between the woman and the fowl? A little boy look on the mother and say, Mama, what is the difference between the woman and the fowl? Hear the mother say, the difference between the woman and the fowl is that the woman use a brassiere for her breast, and the fowl use a feather. And the little boy said, no, Mama. The difference between a woman and a fowl is that the fowl say, cock-a-doodle-doo, and the woman them say, any cock will do. Come, Sky Joe. So cock, Maleho. Danny Trade, come.
No, I'm going to toast their body some kind of time in the toast side. Alright, no promoter, hear this. Say if you see it on the agenda, come in on the dance, make sure you have your telephone chalwa. If you see it on the agenda, come in on the dance, make sure you have your PVC chalwa. Sense me, the man is going out. You see them in the dance, you can hear them shout. Get your sickness, sense me, that. Who goes? The Reverend to the Stones, man. Now them silent from Zoo that is. But them still rock. Yes, sir. All the Manchester and old time. I will love them. Bad. No check. Say if you see it on the trailer, come in on the dance, make sure you have your telephone chalwa. If you see it on the trailer, come in on the dance, make sure you have your PVC chalwa. Sense me, the man is going out. You see them in the dance, you can hear them shout. Get the sticker, sense me, murderer. Sit on the shed in the area, murderer. Peter mention about ya, murderer. Say sugar can in the area, murderer. We anyone that about ya, murderer. Sky Juice are your selector, murderer. Mandeville crew them about ya, murderer. Metromedia Sound
me say if you is a herbalist, just go one side, go burn your chalice. You see him, crowd of people. You see him, crowd of people. But me say if it's a Lincoln drinker, just go lean up on the bar counter. Then you take out your bill. Then you peel out to $20. Buy some liquor for you and your daughter. Then you dock up in a corner. You see him, crowd of people. You see him, crowd of people. Come me say Mandeville, massive, let me hear you. Who goes?
Come Sky Joes, give me a slice of it. Respect Joe. To all the man them who ever make love with a girl who can't talk. Yes, Danny Metro. Now Dennis, I think I'm the gladiator for the man. Come. Hey. Get it. Watch out. Hit him. Me don't make girl that the bed so love him. Don't make girl to hear me. Me don't make girl that the bed so love him. Don't me. Hey. Me don't make girl that the bed so love him. Don't me. Who do you hear me? Me don't make girl that the bed so love him. Don't me. Say went to a dance up in the London city. Meet a Metro man, they judge my name Danny. Now me mock a little girl down in the London city. And guess what the girl come do to me? When me reach, come again Sky Joes. I wanna hear the dummy girl. All the youth them. Whoever make love with a dumb woman, a woman that can't talk, one of the wickedest thing. You know that Danny Jet, but you was in England. Come. Let me say. Me don't make girl that the Metro love him, don't me. Who do you hear me? Me don't make girl that the Metro love him, don't me. Said that me went to a dance up in a London city. Me and me manga brother what them call squiddly. When me reach at the dance it and rum already. Man me see girl pick me, man don't plenty. Me see girl pick me till me eye at me. So me jukes in on the crowd, I scan easy. And me well want a girl pick up dance with me. But the first girl she check, she said me not ready. So me grab up on my girl in a red booty. I talk to the girl but she not answer me. Anyway now, me say she decide to dance with me. But the first song she dance, she show me her hand. And all the girl I make man a pure signal. I saw me realize she was a dummy girl. She hugged me up tight and she started to rub. One around me shoulder, one around me waist. You should have seen me and the dummy girl face to face. Went to the drum she, went to the bass she. So cut me tongue like she the pan ears. Me never know say I saw the dummy love strong. She touch me on my hand, me feel emotion. Me hand start moving all direction. Put me hand on her breast, the dummy start fret. She start blow shot like she have shot her breath. Put me hand on her front, the dummy box it up. When me put it back again, me hear the dumb girl a talk. She go, come now, me don't make girl that I met so. Me don't make girl, who hear me? Me don't make girl that I met so love him, dummy. When you me couldn't understand this dummy, oh man. Me looking at the dummy face and show her my hand. So me in her face, stretch out my hand and me look on the dumb girl and me sing a song. Me sing. These arms of my blood. Yes, man. Now Danny Jet, step up. Now I done send the tribute to the youth called Tennessee. Now we have a little youth here. We come from Clarendon and coming to town a couple of years ago saying, and not because him look like Yellow Man, him a feed food. Because Gregory Isaac even look for him with you and give him $40 and say, boy, he's the closest thing I ever hear to me. Now Yellow Bird, come on with the people them say, man. Because Metromedia Sound and sing for the year, fly out. So set up.
Yeah. Good night. Well, give thanks and praise to the Almighty Jah Rastafari. Mandeville crew, circa. Sin. And Yellow Bird night be. Lord, make it. Feel up. Sky too. Well, let's see that one now. It's like say, enough man a struggle like place like man like Yellow Bird and enough man and thing and enough thing a go on at Jamaica. We can't take them thing there, you know. Make it. Skibby dibby make it. And me struggling man. Ain't you forgetting where fish sleep? Feel.
Stop it! And I talk it again, man. Yellow bird. I fly out tomorrow evening and go to Canada. Hold tight, yellow.
Sarah. Danny J. Make it. Make it, you. Well, once you're free, Mr. Mandela. But once you're free, Mr. Mandela. Got enough liquor youth in the street, me said them a suffer. My God, but if the day you love it, me come and this sing it to you. My God, I want to be free, Mr. Mandela. My God, please meet me at the corner. My God, down the avenue, Lord. And I'll be patiently there. My God, waiting there for you, Lord. Why won't you hear me? I say it's true until the morning. Mandeville, Messi, why won't you tune into Metromedia? Cause I like it like that. I like it like that. I just, yeah. When you get it, you still want more. Talking about I just, you know you get it. I see you still want more. That. Lord, if you want to give, if you see my Mary now, my guess, oh Lord. If you see my Mary, you can tell her must get ready. You can tell her that it missed the day and the man, but who gonna visit her tonight? But I'll be getting a check tonight. You can tell her not to worry. I've been doing too much worry. You can tell her that you'll be there because I must have a visitor tonight. Grail! I think we're done yet.
Oh, Yellow Bird, not sure you look like Yellow Man. You have to make some money in that business. Respect you to Mr. Bird, saying, because him come months way and well, look out in business for him fly out this week. Now instead of youth, want to play. This youth sing just like Pinchers. And him call himself Pliers. Now hear this.
Oh yeah. Them a watch me. I feel them business is fine.
Oh my God.
Them a watch me.
Yeah, the man say. Them a watch him. And for them business is fine. Come.
Oh yeah. Them a watch me. I feel them business is fine.
Imagine it, man.
Them a watch me. I feel them business is fine.
Why at us?
It's a long time you know to say them a watch. Since me start improving on my community. To them can't get me things, them a turn me enemy. Them a be send for them friends to come fight against me. Them a watch me. I feel them business is wild. Them a watch me. I feel them business is wild. In a the penny section, I just saw them sit. And have for me business as them main topic. If me have something new, the whole of them covet. And that is how me know them a all hypocrite. Them a watch me. I feel them business is wild. Them a watch me. I feel them business is wild. Some of them a snake on the grass. Them a shot up them thing and them a wait for your
Pliers!
Some of them a snake on the grass. Them a shot up them thing and them a wait for your Them a watch me. business is why.
They watch it, they watch.
Them a watch me. I be them business is why. Not sure them can't get me things. Them a turn me enemy. Them a pretend be them friends. They come fight against me. Them a watch me. I be them business is why. Them a watch me. I be them business is why. Then I who send them come. Then I where them a do ya. Then I who send them come. Then I where them a do ya. Oh na na na. Oh na 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 na. Never watch me. I be them business is why. Never watch me. I be them business is why. Lord, I wanna know my enemies, I wanna know my friends. Cause some of them are wicked, enough of them are heathen. Lord, I wanna know my enemies, please show me my friend. Cause enough of them are wicked, enough of them are heathen. Them watch me.
I feel that business was why. Now we comes to rapid counteraction too. I was singing better than compress.
Respect Joe to Jimmy Metro. Well, I can't stop singing the style of the lady. How all over them. I gotta be crazy. Cursing at your life. Hey, sweet little lady. Cursing at your life. Oh, yo. Hey, lady. You lady. Cursing at your life. You're a discontented mother in the regiment in white. Have no doubt to dream about the way you makes me feel. But I wish that I could talk to you like I wanna talk to me. Ooh, I've been to Georgia and California and anywhere I could run. I took the hands up. Come again. Come again. Come again. Well, listen that style I know.
Oh, let me say singer. Sugar candy. It's like how you sing out. You have to sing out, make Mandeville people be here, you know. Cause a long time the people are listening to Metromedia Sound, so come, yeah.
Once I was a reckless gambler, all my little dollars I couldn't spend. As I reached Zion Gate, in my seat I've been laid in the middle of the sea. On the ship begun to sing, Captain Selector to his mercies over all. Overall, Captain Selector to his mercies overall, Captain Selector to his mercies overall, and my heart is feeling with love. Selassie, the Savior, save me. He's one. Come again.
Well, Sugar Candy, you want Selassie show your love over you. Well, Danny Trade, you get Selassie love already. People! I one day for the years, Mr. Manley and Mr. Siago signed peace treaty. And then the man who brought the peace treaty dead. So this thing have to continue. But a long time it will happen. You know why? Come with it, blood. Come, Sky Juice. You have a blood, brother. So you know it go. You know? Watch out. So life fuck up, 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 life fuck up. So life in a Jamaica, me a tell you say fuck up. So down in the ghetto where the poor man back up, and up in the hills where the rich man live up. See I go and money when the whole of them pack up, a beer champagne when the whole of them sip up. While we down at the ghetto, we can't sip syrup, and yet still a politics we you them love up. You them that they get up and they think so corrupt. PP say me more, yeah the labor right high up. When PP and the labor right, the two of them fuck up. I cut up and shoot up and stab up and chop up. Opel full up, when Opel a come you know say police now. Oh my God, Daddy Metro. Want them Daddy Metro. Teach them original. Yes! Me right now when I'm about the peace street, you know why? Say life fuck up, 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 it fuck up, it fuck up, life fuck up, it fuck up, it fuck up. Say life in a Jamaica, me a tell you say it fuck up. Say down in a the ghetto, the poor man fuck up, and up in a the hills where the rich them live up. See Yango and Manly, when the whole of them fuck up, a beer champagne, and when the whole of them sip up. Well we down at the ghetto, we can't sip sorrow, and yet still a politics, the youth them love up, youth them at the ghetto, them kings so corrupt, baby say me more, you deliver right, I up.
Wagwan ENT.